Hello students, welcome to all in this new episode. In the previous video you have seen that we have solved the question number 2 up to the second of subsection second. Now today we see the subsection 3 of question number 2. It is simplify root over 5 plus root over 2 whole square. Now solution root over 5 plus root over 2 whole square. To simplify this, you have to write a formula, that is the identity which you have learned in previous class 8. And that formula is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now in the left hand side you will write this root over 5 plus root over 2 whole square equal to a square. In place of a, you will write root over 5, and in place of b, you will write root over 2 in the right hand side of this equation. Now a, for a, you will write root over 5 whole square plus 2 into a root over 5 into b root over 2 plus b square root over 2 whole square. When you make the square of a root term, that term will be free from the root. That means it becomes 5. Plus these 2 remains as it is because this one is a rational number and these 2 are irrationals, and you will multiply these 2. 5 to the 10. Then it will be square root of 10. Plus root over 2 square. You will write the square of this, and previously you have seen that when you write the square of a root number, then that number will be free from the root. That is, it will be free from the root and it will be 2. Now, this 5 rational number and this 2 is also rational number. Then, according to the sign, these 2 will be added and it will be 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2 root over 10. This is the answer. There is another method, a way to solve this. Root over 5 plus root over 2 whole square. Whole square means you will multiply this root over 5 root over 2 times. That is root over 5 plus root over 2 into root over 5 plus root over 2. Now you will take this root over 5. With this you will write this bracket term root over 5 plus root over 2 to find the product, plus root over 2, and with this you will write the second term root over 5 plus root over 2. Now multiply. By root over 5 you will multiply in this bracket root over 5 into root over 5, that is it will be root over 5 into 5 plus root over 5 to the 10 plus root over 2 into root over 5, it will be root over 2 5 10 plus this root over 2 into root over 2, that is root over 2 into 2. Since this 5 is in pair, then you can take one 5 outside the set and its set will be removed. Plus root over 10, both are similar terms. Then you will add, but you will add the coefficient of these two, not these two terms. Coefficient of this root over 10 is here 1 and coefficient of this is also 1. Then 1 plus 1 it becomes 2 and root over 10. Plus this 2 is in pair. You can take 1 2 outside the set and it will be 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2 root over 10. This is the answer. So you can solve this question by using this identity or formula or simply by multiplying these two.